Welcome to Lighthouse Learning22, where we navigate young minds. Get ready for phonics. What sound are we learning today? That's right, we're learning the P sound. Do you know the letter name for P? The letter name is P, and it makes the sound P. Let's look at some P pictures. Say the word when the picture appears. Penguin, pineapple, pig, play. Brilliant, you're doing great. Can you help me find all 7 pictures? How many did you find? Let's look for them together. Pot, penguin, pencil, pig, pineapple, play, pan. You're too clever. Time for a challenge. It's sentence time. Listen carefully, then read after me. The pink pig plays in the mud. Children play with blocks and puzzles. We cook in a pot and pan. The pineapple is yellow and sweet. A penguin is black and white. I write my homework with a pencil. Wow, you're reading like a superstar. We learned so many new words today. Can you remember them all? Let's start with the words beginning with P. Pig, play, pot, pan, pineapple, penguin, pencil. Now, let's read the rest of our words together. Pink, puzzle, mud, blocks, yellow, black, white, right. Fantastic work. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join me for the next sound and become a reading rock star. See you next lesson. Bye for now.